Welcome. If you want to make your LinkedIn profile visible outside of LinkedIn, maybe for networking or to boost your online presence, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to show your profile information outside LinkedIn, right from your PC, using the new update. First, open your favorite browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture or the word Me. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control almost everything about your LinkedIn experience, including how your profile appears to others. Now, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and find the section labeled Visibility. Click on it. This section is all about who can see your information and how your profile is discovered. Within the visibility options, scroll down until you find Profile Discovery and Visibility Off LinkedIn. Click on this option to open more settings. This is the area where you control whether your profile can be seen by people who aren't even logged into LinkedIn. Here's the key step. Find the setting called Profile Visibility outside LinkedIn. You'll see a switch or toggle next to it. If it's turned off, your profile is hidden from search engines and people who don't have LinkedIn accounts. To make your profile visible, simply enable this option by clicking the toggle. That's it. Your LinkedIn profile is now discoverable outside of LinkedIn. This means that when someone searches for your name on Google or another search engine, your LinkedIn profile can appear in the results, making it easier for potential employers, clients, or collaborators to find you. Remember, you can always return to these settings and adjust your visibility at any time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and LinkedIn updates.